Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This holiday season we are diving into the world of DIY daylights that will bring extra warmth and joy to your festives. Whether you are a seasoned of whether you are a seasonal craft or just getting started, we have got something special for everyone. Get ready to transform your home into winter wonderland with simple yet enhancing craft that even Santa would be proud of. The holiday chair with some festive decoration that will turn your home into a Christmas heaven. Start by crafting personalized ornaments for your tree using common household items from cinnamon stick start to salt dudes snowflakes. These creation will add a touch of magic to your holiday decor. Don't forget to involve the little ones in making paper garlands and with words. It's a fantastic family activities that create lasting memories. Tis the season of giving, and what better way to show your love than with handmade gifts? We have got your covered with easy to make presents that are thoughtful as they are charming. Create custom photo frames, knife, cozy scraps, or whip up a batch of homemade cookies, butterflies packaged with a personal touch. These gifted not only separate joy but also showcase the effort and care you have put into making them. No crafty Christmas is complete without detectable treats. Dive into the kitchen and whip up some delightful goodies that will leave everyone wants more. From gingerbreads, cookies to peppermint, hot chocolate jars, these recipes are simple yet scrumptious. Done your open gathers the family and make it baking day filled with leather and the sweet aroma of holiday magic. Let's embrace sustainability this season by exploring creative ways to wrap, present, and craft greeting cards. Upcycle old newspaper magazines, or even fabric scraps to create unique wrapping paper that eco-friendly and stylish. Personalize your cards with heartful messages and drawings, turning each one into a mini work of art. Your loved ones will appreciate the extra effort, and Mother Earth will thank you too. Crafty Christmas is all about infusing the holiday season with your personal touch, from decoration that twinkle with homemade charm to gift and that warm the heart. These crafts are simple, enjoyable, and accessible to everyone. So gather your crafting supplies, play some fantastic tunes, and let's to enjoy your creativity flows. Wishing you a crafty Christmas filled with love. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching.